from a breeze I can see. Will I leave? Would I be able to survive from this place?